Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to add contact page into your app. A contact page is a simple way for your customers to reach you. Here you can list all of your business contacts such as phone number, email, office address, etc. Let's get started now. Now let's add the page. Click on View All here and search Contact. Click on the page to add it. Here's your contact page name. If you want, you can change it. From here you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline icon or image from our library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to the content section now. First comes name field. Here you can add the name of the person. From here you can change the icon of the name field. If you want, you can select icon from our library or upload your own custom icon. Next comes phone number field. From here you can change its icon. From here you can select the country code. Now enter the phone number here. If you want to add multiple phone numbers, click on Add More button. From here you can delete the phone number field. Now comes What's Up field. From here you can change its icon. From here you can select the country code. Now enter the What's Up number here. If you want to add What's Up numbers, click on Add More button. From here you can delete the What's Up field. Next comes SMS field. From here you can change its icon. Now select the country code and add the phone number. Here you can enter the automated SMS text. Click on Add More button to add multiple SMS fields. From here you can delete the SMS field. Next comes email. If you want its icon, you can do it from here. Enter the email address. Click on Add More button to add multiple emails. From here you can delete the email field. In the similar way, you can add Skype ID. Next comes address field. If you want, you can enter your mailing address manually or by using latitude and longitude option. Next comes website field. Here you can add your website address. Click on Add More button to add multiple websites. Let's move on to advanced settings now. Here you set Twilio account for SMS. Next comes language settings. Here you will see all the alert messages being displayed on your contact page. If you want, you can edit or update them. Click on this icon to hide this page. From here you can enable login on your contact page. Here's your page URL. You can copy it from here. From here you can manage the SEO of your page. Now comes page style and color scheme. From here you can change the page background. If you want, you can select an image from our library or select a solid icon or upload your own custom image from here. If that's not enough, you can also upload different custom images for both portrait and landscape mode, or use the same for both modes. You can even change the page layout from here. If you want, you can also change page elements, color, font style, font size, and indent. Once you're done, click on Save and Continue to finish creating your app. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.